Control number 41963, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Mary Grace Gromio, 42 years old. I'm a widow with two daughters. Youngest is 90 years old and the eldest is 22 years old. I have two brothers and three sisters. I'm the third in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I attended college in Holy Angel University, undergraduate with the course of Bachelor in Science of Business Management.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to help my family and support the studies of my daughters.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have experience here in the Philippines for 10 years as a housemate.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, but I'm willing to learn to take good care of the old person.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes,
What can you do for babies?
feeding, give bath, playing with them, and change clothes and diapers.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking, tutoring, and sewing, and gardening.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can steam fish and vegetables.
Describe yourself as a housemate.
I'm honest, responsible, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship, and they treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Sir, Madam, if ever you choose me as a domestic helper, I will do my best and obey the rules and be responsible in my work. And I promise to finish my contract for 2 years and more. Thank you so much.